Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Lacey Sampson. I'm a technical product manager and a certified project management professional. I'm very much invested in people and purpose. I love to help women identify their uniqueness and begin to make impact from the place of their uniqueness right away without second guessing themselves. I also believe that children can and should be raised to be purpose driven from the home. So, part of what I do is to empower parents with resources to help raise purpose driven children. Because you're here, I believe you're interested in sharing your knowledge and making impact through sending newsletters. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I send my bi weekly newsletters. I'll show you the simple and free platform that I use, how you can sign up, customize your page, add subscribers, create your newsletter, and schedule your newsletters. As a bonus, I would show you how you can build your email list right away. So let's dive right into this. The platform we're going to be using is Substack. I'm browsing here as a guest so that I can take you through the step-by-step sign-up process. So first, please go onto your browser, type www.substack.com. When you click enter, you come up to the home page. It brings you to the home page where you're now able to create an account. So when you look at the top right corner, you see sign in and this orange button that says create account. Please click on the create account button and follow through the process of creating an account. Once you click on the button, you're asked to select your interest. You have culture, technology, so depending on what you're interested in, please go ahead and select your interest. In my case here, I selected parenting. So once you select, just click on continue. Now, what that is going to do is that they will suggest other newsletters that talks about your interest. So they will suggest them to you because to create an account, you're expected to sign up to a minimum number of newsletters. So here we have people suggested here for me based on my interest. You see this one on the parenting guide because I started parenting. So any other thing you want to learn about, it can be technology, marketing, please go ahead and select that. So once you do that, subscribe to 6 and continue. Then, as you click on continue, you're asked to enter your email address. Here I have a johndoe@gmail.com as a test email, right? So, but please enter your email address and click on the agree to terms of use checkbox here. Once you do that, subscribe and join Substack. So once you've done that, then your Substack account has automatically been created for you. So the next thing that you're going to be asked to do is to tell more about yourself. Like you need to write your name, your Substack handle, then your bio. So here I wrote my name as Lacey, my handle, Lacey the light bearer. Then my bio, I bring light and practicality to self and purpose discovery. So once you do that, nicely click on continue. Then you're brought here. Looking at it, yes, there are lots of things happening here. Whatever is being suggested here is based on the selection you made earlier. That's the list of subscribers that you had already subscribed to. But you want to create your own newsletter. So a place to go is your dashboard. So please click on your dashboard at the top right corner. Then this is your beautiful dashboard, a very beautiful dashboard that Substack has offered you, right? You can go right away to create a new post, but like what I did first was to go to settings so that I can set up and customize my page. So the basic settings that I'll be guiding you through is how to create your own logo, set up your own logo so that you can replace this Substack logo that you have at the top left corner. And you also want to have a heading for your newsletters. Let me show you what that looks like on my own page. So this is my Substack page. The previous one I showed you doesn't have anything. In fact, let me go there so that you see what it looks like. So this is the home. So this is what you have. If this is what you'll be seeing if you just created your account. It will just be a blank page like this. But this is what my own looks like. I have all my subscribers, the total number here, my views here for the past 30 days, subscribers here for the past 30 days, and then my open rates. That means compared to the number of subscribers, how many people get to open these newsletters. Then my latest post shows here. Then these are the drafts, the one that I have started writing but I haven't submitted. So this is what you see on your homepage. This is what I am seeing on my homepage because I have something already going on. But I want to show you how you can customize your homepage so that you can have a heading like this. You can see raising purpose-driven children. Then you can see at the top left corner that I have my icon there. So I'll just show you how to create these basic settings. You see here I have my DP displayed. That one you can do it from your profile. You could just click on it and edit your profile, put your DP there and all. But what I'm going to be showing you is how to put a heading here and how to set the icon here. So let's go back. Let me use mine just so that you see where that happens. So when you click on settings, the basic settings, here you have categories. You get to choose categories. Here I'm talking about parenting and it's tied to faith and spirituality. So those are my categories. So when you open yours, please select your category. Then scroll down to websites. When you get to websites, you will see the publication logo. This is where you put your logo. Please take note that it has to be a square image of 256 by 256 pixels. So just in case you're using Canva to design, you want to select custom size and give it this size so that you don't have issues in its display, right? Then the publication name, this is where you enter your publication name. Like for me here, I have Raising Purpose-Driven Children. You have an option to rather using an image here if that's what you choose. So to do that, what you should rather be putting up here, uploading here is your publication word mark, which must be this size for it to look nice, right? So ensure that it's this size and you click on this place and add your publication word mark. It's either you have a publication name or a publication word mark. So you choose the one you want to go with. For me, I just simply went with the publication name. Then here you have your publication short description. Here I have this publication equips parents with resources to nurture children who live purpose-driven lives. So put a short description here. Why do you need to put this short description? So that when people click on your link in attempting to subscribe to your newsletters, they kind of see what your newsletter is about and can make their decision whether it's something they're interested in or not. So that's the basic, right? Another thing that might interest you is now the colors. So please also do this, your welcome page photo. Yes, so this is what I have on my welcome page. So people that want to subscribe, what they will see is the publication text and this particular photo on top of the text, then the subscription button beneath there. So let's go back to websites, so that you can customize your theme, like set your color, your layout, and the font styles for your site. So when you click on website, you see this go to website theme editor. I'll click on it and it brings me here to branding. So I click on branding. We've already talked about publication logo, but can you see the colors here now? My web background is white. I want it white. You can change it if you wish. Then I also want the same color for my welcome page. Then my accent color is this color, which is something purple, right? So what that does is that all my buttons take on that color. As you can see here, my subscribe buttons are purple. So this is what I was saying on your welcome page. That's the page where people get to subscribe to your newsletters. See how my logo shows up here, the publication name shows up here, and the publication text. Then the input field for the person to enter her email address, then subscribe. You can also choose what kind of font style you want. You can go with the default or change it. Change your heading fonts, change your body font, And your link style. How do you want your links to appear? Do you want them underlined? In my case, I want them underlined. Or do you just want the colors changed to show that it's a link? So this is where you do that. And once you're done with this, you are fine. Now, take a look at what the welcome page looks like. Isn't this beautiful? So you'll be able to do this for yourself. Then also take a look at what your post would look like. So this is what my post looks like. I have my icon here, my publication name here, the title of my post, the subtitle. Then because I have a display picture, it shows here with my name, right? My name shows here, date shows here, and then voila, this is what it looks like. Take a look at a button here. This is what a button looks like. So let us now move on to adding subscribers. So I'll be leaving this place, going back to home. So to add subscribers, you see this bar here, right? Navigation bar here. Please go to subscribers. Click on subscribers. Then you see this button here that says add subscribers. Click on it to add subscribers. You can add subscribers individually using this input field separated by commas. So I type the first email address, for instance, I say johndoe@gmail.com. Then I just put a comma and type the next one, let's see, @gmail.com. Then I can choose to send welcome emails. That's if you have set up your welcome emails. For me, I did not set up a welcome email, so I won't check that button. Substack has a default welcome email is sent. So for you to test it, you could just put your own email address here and say send a welcome email so that you see what it looks like, right? Then add emails. That's all. These emails get added. So a second option would be to upload emails. Now, these emails will need to be in CSV files or XLSX files. So that's like an Excel file or a .ods file. Simply put, you can use Excel or CSV because those are the very common ones. So once you have them, you just click here to choose the file from wherever the file has been saved. So let me assume that you have them on downloads because I'm sure I should have one on my downloads, right? So these are my this is a CSV file. So once I click on it and open, I don't want to send emails. Yes, up that these people have opted to receiving emails. If that's the case, then yes. So you import them here. Then you scroll down, you see what begins to happen. You see that it's important. That's the status. It shows you the date as well. And the number of emails in the CSV file. Like there, I have 229. But at the end of the day, you might not be able to add all for different reasons. Maybe the email address is not correct, or maybe some of those emails, you already have them here. So the number you will see here is the number of the unique emails that you don't already have as your list of subscribers. Then it will let you know how many was skipped. For instance, you see this other report just beneath the one that is important. I imported 301 emails on March 17th, but only 2 got added. 229 was skipped because they are already part of my list of subscribers. So this is how to add subscribers to your email list. Okay, what's left? Creating your own posts and scheduling your newsletters. As you can guess, all you need to do is to go to post. So you click on post. Here you have published. In your case, I don't expect that you have anything published, but because I have published 44 newsletters, I have them here. So the list of the newsletters just shows up here under published. So you click on the next navigation that says draft. I have 2 drafts here because I have some letters I have started and I have not published yet. I would show you how to publish it. I purposely left it here so that I would show you how you can schedule them and they get sent as emails. Then you have scheduled. Now, these are the ones that have already been scheduled. So they have moved from draft to schedule. To start a new newsletter, you just need to click on new post. You can choose text, video, audio, new notes, or whatever. But I always use text post because when you use text post, you're able to add video, you're able to add any other thing, even audio. You can add audio. Just take a look at what it gives you. Here, you put your title, you put your subtitle, then start writing. That's all. Now, this is my name because I am the writer. You can also choose to add any other name, right? If you have somebody collaborating with you on the post, but in this case, it's just me. So while you start to type, let's say you start to type something, you might want to change the style of a particular text. Maybe you want this text to be a heading. This is where you do that. So it looks like a heading already. Then you start typing something and you want it to be bold. Just highlight it and click on this B sign. Or you want it to be italicized, click on the italic sign. Or you want it to be crossed, this is what you do. Or let's say what you want to type is a code snippet. Maybe you're a programmer and you want to write a code. Then you want to make it look like a code snippet. So this is how code, this is the font that is usually used for code. And because it's a code snippet, when you start to, there are certain characters it recognizes, right? So if I want to turn this to a link, that means I want people to click on it and it takes them somewhere else. Then I highlight it and this is what I do. So here I get to enter the particular URL that I want the reader to be routed to when they click on that link. Now, this is to add a picture. You want to add an image, please, you can do that from here. You want to add, you want to do a voiceover. You can also do it from here. Just click on it and record audio, right? Or you have an audio that you want to embed in the newsletter. You can also do that from here. If you have a video as well, click on video, create a video or upload from your existing files on your device, and you can put that here. Then you want something to be a quote. Let's say you're typing and I want to change this to a quote, maybe a block quote. See what a block quote looks like. So it just goes like a block. But then there's another way to do a quote if you want it to rather be a comment quote. Let's do that. A pull quote. So it just comes and pulls to the middle of your text or your post, right? So this helps you to create bullet points. This helps you to number, and that is just it. So in the course of writing, you might want to add a button. So click on button. There's a subscribe button. It just goes there. There's a subscribe with caption. You see what it looks like. Then there is also other kinds of buttons, like you also want to leave a comment, so the person can click to leave a comment. But then a lot of times you want to add specific call to actions. Maybe you want them to join a community or you want them to sign up for something. Then you want to create a custom button. So please click on custom. When you click on custom, you want to enter the text, maybe join my community. Then you enter the particular URL that takes the person there. Then you click OK. So here are other formatting tools. If you want to insert a chart or a divider means that you're writing and then you want a line like this to show. Let me click on it so you see what it looks like. So just a line that divides your post into sections. Once you're done, you're able to preview your post. When you click on preview, you get to see how it looks like on a mobile device. Please do this so that you can appreciate what you have written better. Or on a desktop device, you can also preview as an email what it will look like when it gets delivered as an email. The next you want to do is to go ahead and schedule. So let me go back to my post. So this is the draft post I had already started. So look at this. This is the title. This is the subtitle. Now this is the newsletter. I want to deliver this in the next 3 days. I want to deliver this in the next 3 days. Please take a look at my button. It's purple and it's a custom button that says join prayer circle. So when a user clicks on this button, it's taken to my prayer community, right? So let's go ahead and schedule this newsletter. So to schedule, you click on continue. You can choose to change to upload an image here. I always use my icon. You can choose to use your DP. I always use my icon for all my posts. You can also choose to upload a new image for every new post. Maybe you want every new post to have a custom image on it, which is really beautiful. You can choose to do that. Then take a look at this part. It says delivery. Now you can send via email and the Substack app. But in this case, I want to schedule. I always love to schedule my newsletter so that it takes that burden off me. I can sit in a day and write 4 newsletters and just schedule them. And at that time, it gets delivered without hassle. So I'll click on schedule. Here, I get to choose the time and the day. So let me click on the calendar so I can choose the day. I want to schedule this for the 4th. And I love to schedule it at 4 a.m. so that it drops early in the morning. So I just set the date and the exact time. So either choose AM or PM. And once that is done, can you see the bottom right corner here that says send to everyone in 3 days? So it will send to everyone on my subscribers list in 3 days. So I click on that. And that's all. I can get the link to this particular post by clicking here where you see share your link, copy link. So you can copy this link and share it on your WhatsApp status. You can add it to your Instagram handle, whatever you want to do with it. You're so free to do that. Okay, so this is all about creating and scheduling your newsletters. Now, because I chose this image for my newsletter, that's why you see it here. You can as well download this and post them on your social media handles. These are shareable images, right? So that's how this works. Okay, so I promised to let you know how you can build your email list. Now, the simplest way to build your email list is by using valuable e-products. The word there is valuable. You want to make sure that whatever you are sharing, it might be free, but please let it be valuable. Know that you're here to make an impact. You're not just here to take up people's time or occupy their space. No, you want to make a difference in their life. So whatever it is that you're putting together, put together something valuable. Let it be an e-product. It can be a worksheet, it can be a template, it can be a simple ebook, something that would be of help to your audience. So when you put that together, the next thing you want to do is that you want to upload it to Seller. When you upload it to Seller, then you share the Seller link where people can either buy these things low price or maybe even free. But remember, the word here is that it must be valuable. So once they get these things for free, even in the product, you can let them know that yes, that they will be receiving newsletters from you. Maybe the last page of whatever it is that you're sharing, let them know that they'll be receiving newsletters from you. If you already have something that you're selling, it's important that you use that opportunity to get emails from your customers. Once you get emails from your customers, then those are emails that you can send, you can add to your subscribers list because you're always giving them value. Remember, the word here is value. You don't even want to send noisy emails that can easily be spammed. No, you want to ensure that every email that you send has something impactful and valuable to offer. In my case here, I send insights on raising purpose-driven children. It always has something to offer. So yes, We've come to the end of this tutorial. Feel free to reach out to me via email if you have any more questions, and I'll be glad to respond to you. Keep making impact. Cheers.